नमस्ते दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप? वेलकम टू मैथ शाला and today we are going to find out the distance between point and line. Any point in the plane and line in the plane, how to find out the distance between point and this line L1. This is the general form. This is the point having coordinates x1, y1. I am going to tell you the formula about it. What is PL? How much is PL? I have denoted this distance PL by D, and what is this distance? Whatever the general form of equation of line given to us, write it in this manner. Replace x by x1 with this point and replace y by y1, and then rest is the same, a x1 plus b y1 plus c as it is, divided by square root of coefficient of x plus square of coefficient of y. This is the way to get the distance between point and line. Let's apply this formula here. Rm is the perpendicular distance of point R and this line L. So what is it? It is, what is A here? A is 1 and A is 1 and A is 1. X1 is what? X1 from where the point is drawn, where the line is drawn, perpendicular is drawn. Then B is 3, Y1 is nothing but minus 2 plus C is 7 divided by square root of, now coefficient of X 1 square plus coefficient of Y minus 3 square. Now what is the result? 3 plus 6 plus 7 divided by, this is 3 square is 9 plus 1 10, so result is 9 plus 7 16 by root 10. This is the distance between point and line, and just take the positive sign of it. This is the distance. Just have a look. Now we are going to take the question from exercise. Okay students, let's solve this question number 4 of 10.3. Find the distance between point P and this line L, and the equation is given in this form. So first of all, convert this equation into the general form. तो convert करने पर क्या आ रहा है हमारे पास? It is 12x plus 72 5y minus 10. So bring all the term on this side. It is 12x minus 5y plus 72 plus 10 is equal to 0. And now what we are getting, it is equal to 82 plus is equal to 0. So distance between point and line, what is A? 12, and what is B? It is minus 5 plus 82 is equal to 0. And we have A is equal to 12 and B is equal to, this is coefficient of y. So let's find out the distance PL mod. It is equal to what? A x1. What is x1? Where from where the perpendicular is drawn. Plus नहीं है यहाँ. It is minus 5, that is B y1. What is y1? It is 1 only. And then we have divided by square of A, that is coefficient of x, and then we have coefficient of y. So it is minus 12 minus 5 plus 82, and now we can get the result. It is 144 plus 25, and then we have 65 upon 169, which is equal to 65 upon 13, that is equal to 5. So distance between given point and line is equal to 5. This is the distance we are getting. So just have a look and we'll move to the next question. Okay students, in the question number 5, we have given a line in the intercept form and we have to find out a point on x-axis whose distance from x-axis, whose distance from this line is 4 unit. This distance PR is given 4 unit. So the distance is given, line is given, we need to find out the point, that is x1, y1. But we know that the point, as the point is on x-axis, it means its y coordinate is 0 and it has some x coordinate. We have assumed let it be equal to x1. So let's start. We are given this equation. वैसे तो ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, बट वी हैव कन्वर्टेड इनटू जनरल फॉर्म. इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म था, हमने उसको जनरल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर दिया बाय टेकिंग एलसीएम 12, और ये फॉर्म हमारे पास एलसीएम लेने के बाद आ गई. एंड नेक्स्ट वी हैव, सी दिस इज द लाइन, जनरल फॉर्म वी आर गेटिंग 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. So this is A, this is B, and now we bring this 12 on left hand side. Now distance between point and line, this is equal to what? A x1, see A x1 plus B y1. Say y1 is 0 because point is on x-axis, divided by, it is what? A square. A square is 16, B square it is 3, 3 ka square is 9. So we have 4x1 and what is PR? This is equal to, यहाँ थोड़ा सा लाइन लगा देते हैं. It is equal to plus 0 minus 12 divided by 25. So it is 4, which is equal to 4x1 minus 12 divided by 5. And now we are, so we have, it is 20 equal to 4x1 mod. जैसे आप मॉड हटाएंगे यहाँ हो जाएगा प्लस माइनस. 4x1 minus 12 is equal to plus minus 20. And now what we are getting, because we need to find out the value of x, it is 12 plus minus 20. तो एक बार आप ऐड करेंगे, दूसरी बार सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. ऐड करने से हमारे पास आ रहा है, it is 32. So x1 is equal to 8. और सेकेंड केस में क्या बन रहा है, सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पर we are getting minus 8. So x1 is equal to 2. So what are the coordinates of the point lying on x-axis, which is at a distance 4 unit from line? It is equal to 8, 0 and it is minus 2, 0. हमारे पास दो पॉइंट ऐसे आएंगे, एक इस साइड पर आएगा और एक इस साइड पर आएगा. So just have a look and we'll move to the next question. So dear students, next is how to find out the distance between two parallel lines. What is the distance between two parallel lines? See, if we have these two parallel lines given in slope intercept form, then the formula is, we have formula coefficient, not coefficient, it is y-intercept, again y-intercept of line number 1, line-intercept of line number 2, minus 1. You may write C1 minus C2 or C2 minus C1, hardly makes any difference because we have mod, divided by 1 plus m square, that is the slope of line. Slope of line will be remain same for two lines because lines are parallel. So ये formula है if the intercept form is given to us, but if it is general form given to us, in that case ax plus by plus c1. See here c1 is not y intercept, here c2 is not y intercept, और वैसे भी हम इसको थोड़ा कैपिटल लेटर्स में इसको लिखते हैं और इसको हम स्मॉल में लिखते हैं. And here the formula becomes distance between these two parallel lines. See, coefficients are same of x and y, so parallel lines हैं ये. It is constant c2 minus constant c1, or you may write vice versa. ये constants हैं, divided by a square, that is coefficient of x square plus square of the coefficient of y and then square root. तो हमें we have question number 6. Find the distance between these two parallel lines. नजर आ रहा है? So we have already written what is A 15, what is B 8, what is C1 minus 34, what is C2, it is 31. So find the distance between these two. It is C1 minus C2, so minus minus plus divided by a square, that is 15 square, b square and its square root. So what we are getting, it is 65, it is 225 plus 64 and the result becomes equal to 60.